This is Mark over at Dillon GMC. Today I got a special treat for you guys. It's an oldie but a goodie. We got a 1990 GMC Jimmy. Did some 1-ton truck axles on 37s. Absolutely amazing. Interior's all original. I think they got a custom paint job on there. That's a 1990 GMC Jimmy in perfect shape. This is an absolutely, you can hear the exhaust on that bad boy. They just don't make them like they used to, I'll tell you that. I always wanted one of these when I was a kid. You know, that shell pops off, kind of like those old 4Runners. Take a look inside real quick. I mean, look at that. You know, a couple cracks here or there, but I mean, that is some plush leather, aftermarket CD deck in there, but everything else, gauges and everything, all working, all original. Headlights, automatic transmission. They installed some Rockford Fosgate speakers in the corners, and this is where I can actually had power windows, and then of course the nice little smoker window there. I missed that, but absolutely beautiful. And that's where you could pull that back part off and pretty much have a truck with a nice plush back seat in there. Oh my gosh, look, rear window right there, original switch. Was a Jimmy SLE with leather. Look at that. There's that release for it. This is what you wanted. This is what I wanted back in the day, I'll tell you that. I mean, you can just feel it. Just feel the weight of it in the doors. That nice broad square grille. I mean, of course they've stayed true to that, kept that look, but just wanted to show you guys that. I believe they did a rebuild on the engine, did a crate engine from GM. I believe it's a 350 in there with a supercharger, but I could be wrong on that. So, haven't got a chance to look under the hood. But I mean, this thing, I mean, you could take that anywhere. That's your backpacking rig right there. That's your hunting rig. That's your, oh, four-wheeler can do it, so can I rig. So anyway, nice little treat. We had that in the showroom for a while. If you guys are interested in buying it, do have a sales price of $29,950 on there. Does have 133,000 original miles. However, like I said, the engine has been rebuilt. If you look down there, see the headers coming down brand new. It's got BDS suspension, solid axle front on the front there. I mean, nothing else like that. Man, I wish I could find one of those. Beautiful.